Welcome back. It's the first Mondo review of 2025, and it's a good one. The HUAWEI MatePad SE 11-inch. We recently unboxed this tablet and are very pleased to see that it packs a punch. Stick around as we dive into the details. Design excellence. So, this tablet is being marketed as a budget option. But from sight and touch alone, the MatePad SE feels like a premium choice. Its sleek aluminium body and lightweight design make it easy to carry, whether you're tossing it in a bag or holding it up for a binge-watching session. It also just looks really good. The two color options are Nebula Gray and Crystal Blue. Display deep dive. The 11-inch Full HD Plus screen offers vibrant colors and a viewing experience that sucks you in. While it's not really built for gaming, you'll still be able to play the less demanding options with no lag. Plus, with its eye comfort technology, it's built to reduce strain from those long hours in front of the screen, making it perfect for students and professionals who spend hours taking notes or watching content. Performance and productivity. This tablet is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset. It makes multitasking on the MatePad SE a breeze. The multi-window feature is a game changer for students who need to take notes while watching lectures or keep multiple apps open for productivity. Basically, you can lose that second screen now. The quad speaker system is surprisingly good for its price. The sound quality is clear, crisp, and loud enough to fill a room. With a 7,700 mAh battery, the MatePad SE lasts all day, making it perfect for long study sessions, work, or play. And if you're in a rush, the 22.5 watt fast charging gets you up to 50% in just 45 minutes. Software. Harmony OS 2.0 provides a smooth, intuitive experience. It's simple to use, and the app ecosystem is growing fast. Just like their phones, though, you will notice that Google services are MIA. This might be a turnoff for anyone who needs Google apps to keep going. Huawei's answer to the no Google issue is the Huawei App Gallery. It does have plenty of alternatives, so you'll still be able to meet your app needs. Conclusion. If 2025 is the year you bite the bullet and decide to buy a tablet, let it be the HUAWEI MatePad SE. Its premium design, stunning 11-inch display, and impressive battery makes this tablet the perfect mate for work and play.